everyone, this is Rosni. Today I'll show you how to make detoxifying face masks, which is too much beneficial for face. The beneficial of these face masks are deeply cleansing the pores of face, skin complex brightens quickly moistures the face and promotes the skin health. You can feel as your age has decreased. Really, you will get your beauty confidence back. And you have to respect to your own skin. And thanks a lot those who are viewing my video first. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe and switch the notification bell to all for latest update. And also watch the video till the end. So let's start. For making detoxifying face masks, I have taken honey, cocoa powder, curd, almond oil and coffee powder. Here I have taken blue gold coffee powder. If you wish, can use any other coffee powder. First I will pour the honey, next I will pour the curd, then I will pour the cocoa powder and I will pour the almond and lastly I will pour the coffee powder. Then stir it very well. Use the face mask 3 times a week before going to bed if you can. In the morning you can observe a baby soft skin. So for that you have to use continuously. So finally my detoxifying face mask is ready. Let's start applying. First I will clean my face with rose water. Then I will use face mask. See the face pack. Honey is one of the nature's most revered skin remedies. Thanks to its antibacterial and antiseptic abilities, its many benefits oily and acne-prone skin. Honey is also a nature's humectant, so it keeps the skin moist but not oily. Benefits of almonds are supple and smooth skin, improve your skin tone, reduces the effects of aging, prevents harmful effects of the sun, treat acne, whiteheads and blackheads, reduce puffy eyes and dark circles, perfect makeup removal. Coffee is an excellent exfoliator and helps in stimulating blood flow, which reduces acne and stretch marks. Improved coffee face pack benefits are that its rich antioxidants kill dead cells and remove impurities, making skin smoother and brighter looking. Inside or out, cocoa is good for the skin. These properties helps to soften, clear and detoxify your skin. Raw cocoa powder can also increase the elasticity of your skin, which helps with fine lines, wrinkles and reduces the appearance of scars. Yogurt benefits are brighten skin, UV ray protection, increase elasticity, reduces fine lines and wrinkles, fights acne, treat other inflammatory skin conditions. Time to wrap up for today. Hope you enjoy the video. Always be well. Take care. Bye.